So, RJ, I hear that you're looking for a yellow bird. What was the name?
Tanager, I'm pretty sure.
A tanager. And how are you gonna go about finding this tanager?
We are gonna go in my uncle's backyard.
And somebody has sighted one before?
What?
Has somebody seen one before?
Many people.
Many people. Okay. And are you gonna go alone?
No.
No? Who are you going with?
I think my uncle should be here pretty soon, but I don't know. I think he should be here by now.
Hey,
Good to see you here.
it's good to see you too. You ready to get going?
Yeah. The weather might be a little bit of a problem. Yeah. Whoa, look at that bush! Oh, these are kind of beautiful. I don't know why I call them a bush, but...
Yeah, that's a bird. I wonder if we'll see the tanager.
Yeah. I'm really hoping we don't get spooked.
Me too. The weather's not looking good. Let's keep going.
It's starting raining.
Let's keep going. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
I'm gonna go up there and check it out. You stay here and hold this.
Oh. Wait, before you go! Oh. It's been a long day. Oh, there's probably way here. Oh, I remember there was a treehouse. I don't know if he'll meet me there though. This is a horrible day to be lost. Hey, Uncle Jeddadiah, are you out there? He'll probably leave a note. Not fun. I should rip up the one page. I heard him. I heard a tanager. Now let's go. Tanager. Tanager. Ah! Gotta get it. Get over here! This is bad.
RJ!
Get up!
I don't think we're gonna find it. Come on back!
I missed you so much! Get up! It's early! Tanager! What a perfect time!
Hey, get under here. I didn't see anything. Did you see anything?
No.
Dan, I think I lost you for like an hour or two.
Yeah.